Hello! So this video is about putting your mouthpiece together and your whole tone maker together and about creating a sound. So your tone maker consists of your mouthpiece, the ligature, your reed, and the neck of your saxophone. So we're going to start by putting your reed in your mouth, just like that, and you put the soft part, the really thin part, in your mouth. And the whole time you're putting it together, you're going to kind of just keep that in your mouth so that you can get it really nice and ready to play. Okay? Then, after you've had that in your mouth for a little while, you're going to put the flat part of the reed onto the flat part of the mouthpiece that has the open hole in it. So you line it up, and you want to line it up tip to the tip at the top there. And then you hold that in place with your thumb. Okay? Then you take your ligature, which is this metal part here with the screws on it, and the part that is slightly wider goes on towards the bottom, and you place that gently over the reed and the mouthpiece. And then you line it up, and you might have to fix your reed if it slips a little bit, and so place it so it looks about like that. So the ligature lines up with the thicker part of the reed. And then you tighten the screws to make sure that it holds the reed in place and that it doesn't all start to move around. Okay, so then once you get that all ready, your screws should be pretty tight, but not like super tight, just enough to hold it securely in place. Okay? Once that's all ready, you're going to put the mouthpiece onto the neck of your saxophone. You may need a little bit of cork grease to put here to make it slide a little bit better. And you just kind of push down and twist a little bit, and you want to cover about half of the length of the cork with the mouthpiece. And then just kind of leave the rest of it in. I need some cork grease on mine, it's squeaking. But about like that. And then this is your whole tone maker. So you're ready to start making your first sound. You're going to put your mouthpiece into your mouth and make sure that you cover your bottom teeth with your lip, like that, so that you don't touch your teeth to the reed at all, because that could break the reed. Okay? So cover your bottom lip over, like that, and then your top teeth actually bite down onto the top of the mouthpiece on the black part right here, like that. And then you wrap your corners around so that no air can escape anywhere, and you blow. And when you blow, you start with a toof sound with your tongue touching the reed, and it comes away from the reed. Okay? So on your blue sheet, your little handout here, it will go through all these steps. So make sure you anchor, which means you place your top teeth on the mouthpiece. Anchor. And then inhale, so you're going to breathe in. And then the next thing is set, which is where you wrap everything around, kind of form like an O. Okay? So that there's no air can escape there, there's no holes there. And then release your air. Okay? So you're going to anchor. Like that. Inhale, breathe in. Set. And then release. Just like that. And practice making a sound. See how long you can hold a good sound.